guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chama Ozula. If you're just coming by for the very first time, you're most definitely welcome. I'm very sorry I look crazy like this, but I just want to make a quick video on how to maintain a synthetic wig. So this is a synthetic wig, but there's a way you maintain it and it looks like human hair, pure sleek human hair. Like, I'm going to be showing you all the products I'm going to use, all the brushes, everything, and we're going to be straightening it with this curler. Then I'm also going to be using I use two types of curler. This one is for when I want to make the hair very straight, and I'm going to be using the small one to give it like a slight curve. So guys, just keep on watching. I'm going to show you all the products I'm going to use, and you won't even believe that this is the hair anymore. So if you are a beauty entrepreneur, hairstylist, even though you're just an everyday girl that likes to look good, just keep on watching. Thank you, and also like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate the love I got on the previous channel. I'm above 200 subscribers. Like, I cannot even believe it. So guys, just keep on watching and stay tuned. Bye. So I'm going to be mixing. This is the product I use. This is the leave-in conditioner. I'm going to be using this. Then I'm going to be using my brush to brush the hair. Then this paint, we're going to use it to hold it back as we are, smoothing the hair. Then this is the hair serum. This is a very lightweight serum. This is a serum that we are going to be using. So I just got it recently. Let me show you. So guys, it's very lightweight. This is how it comes in. The name is Low Dice. This hair serum. So this is how it looks. Then I'm going to be mixing these two. I'm going to be mixing this with water inside my bottle. I'm going to be mixing it with water because I've ran out of the last one that I used. Then this is straightener I'm going to be using. Then this one I'm going to be using it to curl the mouth of the hair. So it's our brush. Then I'm going to be using our butterfly shadows holding spray. This prevents fly-offs from the hair. So I'm going to be using this to also spray. That's also going to help us. It's going to straighten. It's going to make it hold, like the bob is going to hold for long. So this is the product I'm going to be using. So guys, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Guys, I have gone ahead to mix water with the conditioner, and what you have to do is just to shake it so you get like a smooth paste. Then I'm going to spray it on the hair without the hair being wet. You can't work on dry hair, so you have to wet the hair, then start to straighten. So guys, when you're mixing this, try not to add too much water inside try not to add too much water, so the hair is still moist and silky when you're doing this. Then I'm going to take then I'm going to be taking a little bit of this. So then I'll be adding this so smooth. Especially the tip of the hair. So I'm going to do it like this. Make sure that it goes really inside the hair. Then I'm going to brush it right now. So it's very important that you start. It's very important that you start straightening the hair from the back, then you move all the way to the front. So you guys can see that the hair is smooth, so we can begin working on the hair right now. So I'm gonna take this pin, then I'm gonna work my way through. I'm gonna be holding it a little bit. You just have to take out a chunk of the hair. My straightener is at 190, so let me increase it a little bit to 200. Then start straightening. So you guys see the way I'm taking it. But you can as well use a tail comb to give it a smooth hairstyle. I'm just gonna straighten it. So guys, this is time to use our butterfly spray on the hair.
Hi guys, so at this point electricity went off. Like if you're in Nigeria, NEPA took the light. Yes, that is what I mean. And in the middle of filming my content, there was nothing I could do, so I had to take my content somewhere else to where there is NEPA light, so that I can be able to finish this video. I am so sorry that I was not able to show you guys how I curved the tip of the hair, but maybe in some other video I'll do a detailed video on that, on how to give your hair a very good bob look. So I had to take my content somewhere else, and that is where I properly straightened the hair, because it's not even looking straightened right now. So I had to, like, after putting this butterfly shadow spray, I had to take it somewhere else, and I properly straightened the hair out of this hair, and I also curved the tip of this hair. So as you can see, this is how the hair is looking like after doing it. It was looking so fine, so sleek, and so new. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, if you learned something, please subscribe to the channel, like, and also comment your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.